Hello guys, how are you doing? Where are we? MSG baby! MSG! Can you buy now? I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe I'll see what it does if it goes to 4402. I actually think we're gonna go close that gap at the bottom, but maybe tomorrow. 3, 4. Where are you? What lot size do I use? Take a guess. Take a guess. Hi, it's Vince available. Het hy. So net vir hom vir prof terug te bel asseblief. Vir prof, sê net vir hom prof, hy sal weet. Dankie, bye. Nope. Way higher. Way higher. .80s, guys. Each one is 0.80. You guys are 0.80. So I have a total of a 3.2 in now. A 3.2 lot size in total. But each one is a 0.80. But I don't care about it. I'm leaving it till break even because I already secured 20k. I'll be right back. 3, 4. Where are you? Lekker in daarmee, bro. Goud gaan eens een beetje die retracement doen. After the London session, it will change color. Well, not after the London session, when the London session stands on its own. It's either going to sell very big or it's going to buy, so we must see at 3 what New York's going to do. We'll see. Three, 4, where are you? Hello. Ja. Ek vergeet weer van die mense op kiek. Oh, check hy move op van goud nou. Check hy move op van goud nou. Yeah, we are waiting. Just a thing from my side. Don't do what I do with these runners. Like these are runners. You guys understand? These are not my original trade. These are runners that's left. Okay, I sold the bear flag. Okay, and I sold on the top of the rejection, and I secured a lot of profits over here. So you guys must always, when you're on profits this big, you should really take it. I'm just not gonna take it because I already made so much. Yes, yes. Hallo Tian. Let's see. Um, yeah. So jobless claims is data is showing a weaker dollar, showing more jobless claims, which means more claims of people not having a job, right? So if this comes out green more than the 213, we will see a buy on gold actually at 1530. But anyway, nonetheless, let's see what it does here. One more 5 minute time frame, then it's going to sell. Okay. Hello, hello. I'm gonna add 2 cells to that baby of mine. Welcome, David. Three, four. Where are you? I'd like to ask, I'd like to trade with you, but not sure where you are clicking. What do you mean where I am clicking? Look, you should go do my beginner course, bro. I put everything out there. It's this. There. Guys, there's a link to the beginner course. Alright, Davey, no problem, brother. Guys, let's go get some coffee, eh? We still have 20 minutes. 20 minutes to go. Ek is in sales, maar so jy sien net al die pad terugkom, maar ek het baie secure, so baie geld. So wat jy daar so sien is anders wat ek gehad het. But it's not breaking for nothing, look here. Went past the golden zone, it's going past the two moving averages just now. It's breaking past the bear flag. It was here. So it's just fuck knows why so bullish. But anyway, let it do its thing. Ja, boys, ek my hare sny. Kyk hoe fucking blaze raak ek. Check hom. Holy shit. Ugh. I doubt it broke. This thing just broke through everything without stopping. They didn't even stop. Did not even stop. Just went. Anyway, I'm gonna go make coffee. My sir Brom, why don't I get answer? What answer? What's the question? Yes, I can ook wie is Robin die Marshall. So this is a clear buy. What is a clear buy? Yes, you guys, yesterday, who said it? Gold's going all-time high, gold's going to buy when the Lego method gave a sell, right? And then I left and I came back and it sold nicely. Anyway, so. Ja, mag eens ook kijken, maar ik hoop niet wat je wil. And it's not, we haven't got an indication yet because it's not 3 p.m. yet, so waiting for 3 p.m. Where did he ask the question? It was actually given to me by an expert trader in Canada, the name. I've been known as the professor for more than 2 years now, so I just stuck with the name. Where is this fucking shit?
I don't see decision about direction yet, and I'm not seeing much of a. way?
It's gonna take 10 years for infrastructure to get built.
Sorry?
It's gonna take about 10 years for the infrastructure to get built for that oil, for the Venezuela oil to do anything. Around 10 years, close to 10, maybe 5, 10.
So yeah, it's a downtrend, but it's also kind of sluggish downtrend, right? If you think about it. So maybe they're gonna make a decision here. We're gonna see also how weekly looks like, how the first week of the year gonna look like. Right now it doesn't look very decisive as well. So last 3 weeks look pretty range bound.
Yeah, currently attempting to make a false breakout below this structure low. I think I might have a long position if today we have a close above yesterday high.
I mean,
This is where
back to the tops here, or higher. It's like 59 level, more or less.
no. If you open daily, today candle close above yesterday high.
Yeah, no, I was thinking about target. Yesterday high was 57.20, around 57.20. What would you be aiming at? Something above 60? If we get bullish from that, why not? Like that's 60, that would be 62, right? Or you would be just holding that for whatever.
Yeah, I don't really get engaged with some targets. Also, this trend line is kind of delulu a little bit, because if you ride it from the top, it has different trend line that got unbroken. So trend line, that's the problem with trend lines, that they're fruit of imagination, except it's a pattern, you know. If it's a pattern, then okay, there's some reasoning behind that. But if it's not, yeah. And we gotta leave it here, folks. Powell also said
you
that
attacked
rates,
my trend lines and didn't let me explain myself.
What? Okay. How about you throw the trend line from the top to the second and the third top that you started your second trend line? Let's start this.
Tyler, you guys will know once the block breaks out.
No.
Look how many trend lines you can find.
Zoom in.
Okay.
Okay. Not so much. Okay. From where you started your first trend line, this one, the previous one. Yes, you start down. Okay, exactly there, exactly to the bottoms. No, to the exactly there. That it got a false breakout. The second and the third, the fourth test, etc. So yeah, there is a saying that you ask 10 people to draw you the correct trend line here, and you're gonna get 10 different variations of that. So there's no really edge in this.
We can discuss it more next session next week. We're gonna have because but there is a way, I think, around that argument negating trend lines. But then I would, if we get more bullish, right? I kind of like this. If we get more bullish from that inside bar, maybe they're gonna be inside bar. I don't know what eventually they're gonna be.
Maybe outside.
The attack and breaking those three lines, they haven't been broken yet. Each one is having multiple attachment points, but none of them was broken yet. I would like to see them broken, so I could trade for that. But maybe it's just my character trait. I like to troll trend lines. Anyways, we'll see you.
Thanks a lot, man. Thank you guys for being here and being busy with the chat. Continue watching the program. Marcin continues in beginner's room. I'll be back in 1 hour in the advanced room. Thanks, Marcin. See you in a week.
Take care.
Hello, Brendan.
John, I'm going to start by asking you, when did you start trading? How long have you been doing this for?
I've been doing this for 3 years almost. Thanks for the question.
Welcome to Philippines. أهلا وسهلا بكل المتداولين.
I've had a free community called 359 FX with more than 1,000 members when Devil Nell was also doing it free. The other Devil Nell. The other Devil Nell created the first free bot on Cash 300. That lost everyone's money. Blah. I don't know, bro. Apparently, I think he has an issue with me saying that for years I've been like trying to figure out or working on how to really train people, and he's like wanting to know where was I, and so I don't think he sees 3 years as years. I don't know. I did nothing. Me, I'm being mean, trading with you guys. Gold's going up, gonna fuck me up, but anyway. Well, it's at 3, volume is coming in. Let's say bye to the expert traders.
Welcome to XM Live. 5 XM hosts are live 5 days a week to bring you exclusive educational shows, live interviews with expert traders, and much more.
Alright, well, let's begin from what happened yesterday to update also our viewers and our traders.
Learn all about XM.
Bye, XM. 3, 4, where are you? Hey, I want to see if this is gonna work now. Bam, 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 re. Bam, 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 re. Bam, bam, bam. Filters. Add. Chroma key. Yes. Green screen. Oh, you can still see all this shit. 3, 4. Where are you? Smooth. Yes, let's keep it smooth. Let's keep it smooth, baby. In this zone now, respecting it, rejecting it. Alright, my chat, are we gonna see red or green block? Red or green block, guys? Red. Yeah, we want red, but what do you guys think it's gonna be? And again, watch now. New York pushing the market in a direction before turning it up. So are they going to push it down now just to turn it back up? No. But anyway, red or green block, guys? If this is a red block and I'm holding these positions, which by the way I want to close them now and rather just enter after the block. But if I hold these positions and this is a red block, but that golden zone where it's now is a fucking problem. It needs to break the golden zone first now. Ugh. Yeah, we'll make money either way. Yes, I agree. Fuck. And now we have to like watch out for this block. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wick, full body. Remove. So if it counts, it needs to break these two. You don't want to know. 0.80s. 0.80s. I'm going to close these bottom two so I can just handle a bit of a drawdown. Yeah, so this block is no longer valid. It's now these ones for the up. So if it stops here and doesn't break it, we're going to see a red block. Okay, we're entering the full body golden zone. Let's see what happens. Price stopped. It stopped at a cock level. I hate this level. 4421. Come on. Okay, let's go. No rejection yet, no rejection yet. This is the full body golden zone for up. Man, los die nies is er 25 minute. Volk, en die ding kan ons vir ons gou geldjie gee voordat die nies uitkom. I don't know. What do you mean you're going to sell? I've been in sales since last year. Alright, it started rejecting in the wick FIP, the golden zone of the wicks. Oh, it's rejecting there. I'm going to close some positions. It's rejecting in the golden zone with the wick included. So it's not a full body one. It's this one. You see, guys, with the wick from the bottom to the top, we pull it. It's in the golden zone. That's where it's starting to see some rejection. And you all know, we know the rules. If it doesn't break this block, it will go back up. And if it breaks this block, we know it will at least come down to here. Okay. Let's see. This one is a dollar that you see with 20.8 is in now. So I got the 1.6 lot sizing. Keeps on rejecting there, guys. Keeps on rejecting there. Three, four. Where are you? Break it. Doesn't break it, we're going back up. Rejecting, ejecting. Ooh. Maybe we will see, can see something like this maybe. Bam, and then break it. Hey, where you guys? Fuck. Oh man, I closed everything. Yeah. Yeah, you wait for the block to break either up or down. I've just been in trade since here. I entered here because I saw the bear flag happening, and it rejected and it came and it stopped, and then I started selling as it came down, and I held and I took a lot of profits down here. No, I took profits here. And these trades that's running is still from over here that I have in. So I thought, you know, figured let me just leave them in. And yeah. Yes, it's pretty. Where's the Asian high? The Asian high is here in Durban. Waar kan jy enter? Wacht maar, Frans, jy kan mos weg MSG nou al. You're gonna have to wait. Oh, if this is a long red candle, it will be actually nice because then we are forming a fair value gap. Yes, sir. But this is only a fair value gap if this is a long red candle. Okay. If it's not a long red candle, this is not a fair value gap. Am I ready for what? To go to Durban. Remember, we got the golden zone here for this movement down as well now. I'm including the wicks. So, but the rule is if it doesn't break this level, price will go back up to this high. If it breaks it, we will definitely see it come to this low. Okay. So far it looks like it's respecting this level. Guys, isn't it cool to just draw a block out of the blue and that's where it respects a level? Oh, funny. Okay. Next 1 minute candle will determine is this going to be a red candle or a green candle. Okay. Alright, the next 1 minute will determine if this is a green or red candle. So we want to see in the next 1 minute to come down, if not it's going up. You guys see what I mean the next 1 minute, huh? You guys see what I mean by the next 1 minute? Let's see. Couple of seconds left of this minute that's so crucially important. Ah, there it goes back up. Man, guys, this might actually be a green candle. Ja, wacht voor mij. Wacht voor mij. Ja, man. Guys, we're actually gonna have the news happen in the block. So it's not a bad thing waiting today. News in 15 minutes. News in 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. Just stop flipping removing my stuff. 14 minutes. Yep, see, green candle, guys. I told you it's gonna be green candle. Now we have to see what happens over here. We'll see what happens over here. We'll see what happens over here, guys. Almost there. How long? About 6 months. 6 months. 6 months on financials. Ja. Ach, doe maar. Zo leren ons maar. Zo leren ons. Volgende keer aan luister je vir my, dan doen hy die teenoorgestelde. Alright, we're seeing a rejection here at our level key here. First rejection, so maybe it's going up to pick up to get momentum to come crash, or it's just gonna go up. Alright, here we are in the golden zone. Is it gonna stop and come down, or is it going to Cape Town? Seeing some rejection here in the blue, middle of nowhere. Yes, sir. Seeing rejection happening. Righty, looks like we're going to the top side. So far, what this is telling us is that we have a higher chance of seeing a green block than a red block. And me, I'm gonna exit all my positions, take my profits, and wait with you guys. Okay, 12 more minutes for the news. We saw yesterday's news brought no impact, so I expect nothing from today's. Absolutely fucking zolps. Let's see what the MT5 calendar says on the jobless claims. Calendar. So today, it's also showing more. So both calendars indicating bad for the dollar. Both indicating bad for the dollar. Okay, so we're definitely going to the upside. This golden zone was respected, so we can remove it. Baie, ek doen fokol, ek het niks trades, ek het klomp profit vandag, maar ek is niks trades nou nie. Jy kan hier onder op my screen sien as ek in trades is. So now we're going up, and I have to change my bias from sell here, and I need to get ready for a bull market maybe. Once again, what we saw, what I said earlier, we saw the New York push price when they open in a direction and then turn it back around. Every day they do this now. Okay, but anyway, here's our block. That's kind of Bradley the perfect situation for us. Yes. Okay, this golden zone has been completed, no longer valid. Did the retrace back up? Did the retracement? So no longer valid zone. Can remove this. And now we need to see a break of structure for this thing to go up. So it needs to kind of break this level. I'm removing the bear flag that I had in here just a little bit. So we kind of need to see this break of structure happening. So we need to see something like this, right? If it doesn't break this structure, it will not be a red block or green block. 3, 4. Where are you? News in 8 minutes. News is in 8 minutes. Let me see if I can split screen. Let me know if it's if you guys can see like this. If I split screen it. Yes, no, maybe. It looks cock. What is the? Give me feedback, please. Can I have some feedback, please? Is this fine, guys? Yes, no, maybe. I keep on forgetting about kick. No, maybe. I keep on forgetting about kick. No, maybe. I keep on forgetting about kick. No, maybe. Alright, we're starting to see the breakout structure. Alright, as long as you guys can see, we're starting to see the breakout structure. Alright, well, it looks cocked for me, so I can just imagine. Looks like it's going to break the structure. We're going to see a green block. Okay. Breakout structure happening. Taking a WhatsApp call. Ja. Hallo. Ja, hallo.
Yes.
Yes, jy bel my.
Nee, jy het my gesoek.
Nee, maar ek was nou klaar met jou. Ek was nou klaar met jou vrou gepraat.
O, jy kan met my vrou gepraat, sê jy soek my.
Hoor gou hierso.
Het jy my vrou nou oor gepraat?
Ek het met jou sê nie.
Mooi man.
Hoor gou hierso.
Wie die fok praat ek dan? Nee, sê eers my wie jy fok is.
Hoe meen jy?
Weet wat ek vir jou fok het sê?
Hoe meen jy?
Jou naam kom nie op my foon nie, so beteken ek het nie jou nommer gesê. Jy het jou fok in die idee praat.
Ja, mag het ek dan nie dan ek die verkeerde nommer gebel.
Ek dink ook jy die verkeerde nommer.
En ek praat met jou asof jy my beste pel is.
Jy dan gevra as op mense. Is jou chop so naam ook met?
Yes, hy is.
Is hy?
Ja, nee, hy tryd saam met my, so ek soek vir Vincent. En toe ek weet nie hoekom is jou nommer gesê, maar anyway, aangename kennis.
Aangename kennis.
Nee maar, laat ek hom eens gaan, dan los ek jou. Sorry, ek weet nie hoe die fuck ek jou nommer gekry het nie. Maar hy het gesê op my foon.
Hy is seker
Vincent Gerard. Vincent Gerard. Ja, wel, hoe kom jou nommer op my foon?
Nee, volk ek weet nie.
Nee. Alright, dit is reg meneer. Lekker dag. Guys, we have breakout structure. News is predicting gold to go up. So we'll see if the actual comes here, it comes out green, a green number, so higher than the 213, a higher expected forecast on jobless claims means more people claim they don't have a fucking job, which is bad for the dollar, right? For the American economy. So weaker dollar, gold goes up. But yesterday the news came out very, very good for the dollar, but gold still bought. Anyway, let's just follow the Lego method. Ons wag nog, laat die blokkie verander vir ons, wag net. So now, what we have here is we have a fucking fair value gap here. And if this is where gold wants to come down a bit, that's also a golden zone, just below the golden zone. But anyway, I think it should go up a bit, we'll see. News is in 3 minutes. Maar ek ken nie 'n mic nie. Johannes, I have emergency. I need you to let me know who is that affiliate link.
Even if you can send it to me.
I said it to you. You need to, but it's very quickly. You need to get back to me, please.
Yeah, okay. I gaat op in mijn laptop. Just laat het me send.
But please, okay, just hurry up, bro, because this guy is doing a lot of shit. So just check for me. Who is that, please? Thank you. Just landed in Cyprus. Oh, I'm live. Yeah. I don't know who he is. Where did you find him? No, I don't know who he is. But we'll find out now. I found Jonas. Alright guys, 1 minute. No, I'm lying, it's less. Couple of seconds. Hey, let me trade the news. Let me give it a couple of things. So 3 positions. Let's trade the news. I'm going for the buy for the news. Let's see if I'm correct. Couple of seconds. Almost there, almost there. I'm going for the buy. Running in profits. Okay, data please. Oh shucks. Now you see gold should go up. This is very, very bad for the dollar. This. But you see it's still less than the forecast, so gold's just gonna stay here. Yeah. Gold might actually drop. It's more jobless claims than last month, but it's less than the forecast. Right? I think I'm just gonna get out of this, and we might actually see gold come down. Yeah. I thought so. So there's more jobless claims, but less than the forecasted amount, and gold's not going up. So I'm getting up. So we'll see what happens now. It didn't give us a block. So we have golden zone and we have fair value gap. Okay, I'm closing that fucking shit. So we have the golden zone here and we have the fair value gap here. Let's see what happens. Golden zone is for this move up here because we saw the breakout structure here, and so golden zone from here to here, right? Then if you want from this whole move to here, then it's there. But we're taking from this move up here because of the breakout structure. So let's see. 3, 4. Where are you? Rejection in the golden zone. Very possibly, yes, it can. Why didn't the one on TradingView on MT? Did you get the new one on MT5, the updated one? Is it V2? Why didn't it turn? Oh yeah, it's because it's different data sources. Okay, but it should have turned red eventually, right? Yeah, it should have turned red then, yeah. Oh, respecting the golden zone here, right? So next line here, break of structure over here, needs to go above this line. Fair value gap we're gonna remove, but just note it is still here. Wat gaan ons maak? Ons gaan wag vir hierdie blokkie om kleur te verander. Okay. Yeah, I can see why, because like data is like different, right? And it was like a week, so even this there's so many data sources like TradingView pulls data from, right? So each one differs. So yeah, it's more the data difference, and because it was a week there on the 5 minute, so yeah. But my rule that I have, if price moves above or below, that is the direction I'm going with. That is like my rule. Just when you code the indicator, you need to put the rules in with the candles. So it's on a 1 minute close. So probably the 1 minute didn't close below, it was also a 1 minute week. Guys, look what we have here. I think I'm going to remove this flag because it's confusing me a bit. Right. So we had this breakout structure over here. Then we took the golden zone, we marked it out, it came here and it's rejecting the golden zone. Which means price will go back up to here. Okay. Let me give it 2 entries. So let's see what happens. Yeah, but I mean, you could have made a lot more earlier, and so I understand the frustration behind it. 3, 4, where are you? Can you see, guys, why it's important to wait for the block to change? That you don't sit like me, clever one, seeing rejection, going for it and then turning. This is why it's better to wait for the block to turn, so you don't end up in unnecessary drawdowns like me. Three, 4, where are you? Why is that song stuck in my head? I don't even know the song. 3, 4, where are you? Do you guys know that song? I don't fucking know it. Prof, can Techsport reload the MSG on M5 on a Mac? Mine is outdated. Yes, they can. They are very well trained and equipped to do so for you. Did you sell, Prof? No, I bought. Because of the rejection on the golden zone. You can now see the trades running. From all 3 in the minus to 1 in the profit. depends. Like I don't run it on MT5, I run it just on TradingView because I do all my sketches and drawings on TradingView, and then I can look at MT5 onto a naked chart with just the candles, and I can actually see just the candles, you know, and look what the candles, the story the candles are telling me. Alright, well, we're going into the profit with our buy. So we want to see a new break of structure, which means we want to see price go above. This will be our dinguses. Also changing the block. You can't execute trades on TradingView. However, you can exit. You can execute trades on TradingView within the XM app, because the XM app has TradingView built in. Or just XM, the website, has TradingView built in, so you can execute there if you want to. We're running in profits. We're at our break of structure level. Let's see if it's going to break the structure. Let's see if it breaks the structure, and we'll see where it turns, and we will have new golden zone. This golden zone is no longer valid. It has completed. It did the retracement, went back up, completed it. So that zone, no more. Okay, I hope you guys are fucking learning, because I'm talking my thinking process as I look at the market. It's not yet, guys. Yes, it's still blue. It hasn't broken out yet. Yes, that is correct. 3, 4, where are you? Oh, good Lord, why is this such a strong resistance level? What the fuck? This is actually calm, because now we have a double top and it didn't break the structure. Look here. Yeah, you know what, guys? I'm gonna wait for the block. I'm gonna take this profit and buy. Leave me alone. Give me the money. Show me the money. Three, 4. Where are you? Jesus, guys, this is gonna be a fucking long night. This thing not gonna break that structure there. It's a long session. Let me get water. And we'll see. Will you? Come on. Yes, dis trading view. Dis korrek, Wouter. Ja, boys, ek bly vergeet van kiek. Bitcoin lyk maar kak. Hoe lyk Bitcoin? Ja, wat doen silver? Kyk waar silver. Ja, silver was way overbought in anyway. Guys, look here. At the all-time high, the MSG gave a sell. Yeah, if we just listen to the MSG breakout, come back, sell. Look here. Nou, ons is mos te goed vir silwer. Ons tyd net goud. Guys, so I need volunteers, né? Because I want us to trade more markets. So I want to add to the MSG method at 3 AM. I want to add USD JPY, Euro USD, NZD USD, oil, and Bitcoin. So I will have the gold market open, but I need the other guys that likes trading other stuff to have like US 30, US 100, whatever, to tell us, okay, it's ready for MSG shows buy at US 30, or it shows a sell at NZD USD, whatever. Well, it's coming to this neckline, right? So this is the neckline. Also still actually where that golden zone was laying for this move up, because there's no break of structure, we can't say. So yeah, so we have a neckline now. When it breaks it, we know we're coming down here. So yeah. What strange sound am I hearing? I don't know. Yeah, but like, we'll decide who's gonna do what. So Wouter, you do US 30. Perfect paradise. 3, 4. Where are you? Ja, min of meer hetzelfde as goud. Ja, hier USD ook. 3, 4, where are you? Oh, what? We are coming down. Now let's see if it breaks this neckline. Let's see if it breaks this neckline. 3, 4. Where are you? Let's see if it breaks this neckline. Sure as hell looks like it want to. Right. Breaking the neckline. Let's see what it's going to do now. Three, 4. Right, neckline is broken. We're coming to this level. And then we'll see what happens. Nou nee, ek weet nie, chom, ek weet nie, ek het niks musiek geluister. Kom ons gaan check gou. Ons kyk of jy reg is. YouTube. Snap van fucking, yes, ken nie die naam nie. Snap. Ons hoor.
It's 4 a.m. As if it was really that easy. It's you in my eyes. Snapping 3, 4. Don't need you here anymore. Get out of my eyes. 'Cause I might snap. I'm writing a song. Said this is the last one. How many last songs are left? I'm losing count. Since June 22nd, my heart's been on fire. I've been spending my nights in the rain trying to put it out.
Kom, ek het die woorde nie van gehoor nie.
So I'm snapping 1, 2. Where are you? You're still in my eyes.
Nou weet julle wat se kak ek luister. Maar duidelik het ek dit verkeerd. Ek wonder was teen die fucking casino toe ek nou daar was. 3, 4, where are you? Meanwhile it's 1, 2, where are you? Johannes?
His name is Johannes.
Is he under someone?
I don't know him.
But he's got a partner account.
Eh?
But But he then has a partner account.
Yeah, he has. That's why.
Sorry, Hans. Well, if they want to copy us, let them copy us. But they don't know what I know with the brokers. Okay. Ah, guys, you know what level this is? I swear this is the where it's turning now is that flippin' fair value gap on the 5 minute. Yes, look here. I fucking forgot about that level. Yes, this is why it's turning here. Came to fill the gap, the fair value gap. Neckline, support, fair value gap. That's what we have. Bouncing between the neckline and the fair value gap. What do you guys say about that? Ja, ek weet nie hoekom en daar is geen, ek het geen limit op die feed gesit nie. Bouncing between the neckline and the fair value gap. What do you guys say about that? Bitcoin het 'n sell gegee. Right, let me go have a look. Oh, I see. And a beautiful one too. 3, 4, where are you? As nog een keer daai liedjie sing, dan gaan ek my fucking shit verloor. See. Oh, I see, sir. Oh, I see, sir. Now pushing up. There's a lot of volume in the market right now. Are we gonna see the green block? Guys, are we gonna see the green block? Kijk, MSG silver sell. Yeah, let's see what happened. Sell. Okay, silver gave a sell. Needs to come back into the block. Okay, just guys, we're adding way too many blocks here now. Yes, the double top is also now completed. Euro USD also sell. Yep. So maybe gold will then break below this. Let's see. Okay, but all these blocks are now no longer valid. The neckline is no longer valid, so we can remove it because it completed the double top and it came all the way back down here. This is the fair value gap, folded, went up, broke it. So let's see, Euro USD also gave a sell. 3, 4. I don't really trade. I took my sell profit. Oh, nice. Oh, guys, we're still waiting for the block for the rest of the people. Even me, I don't have trades in. If I have trades in, you'll see it at the bottom of the screen. Over there. So the way the currency pairs are moving is saying that gold should also sell. Oh fuck. Am I not upgraded to the highest? The fuck? Upgrade. Goeie pluk se. USD JPY, wow. Mooi schat weet nie waar die fok hy wil wees nie. It's be careful for that also. It's not really to say, because sometimes they don't correlate with each other. Like it's showing the dollar's getting stronger versus the yen, but remember, this is also dollar versus gold, right? Crazy, ek het niks in opgehou nie. No, don't wait for the block, guys. Wait for the breakout. Three, four. Let's see. Let's see if silver respects our things. So we have this, right? So let's see if silver is gonna buy over here. Sell. See if the other things are respecting our stuff. USD came out nicely, came back, and then sold. You see, guys, if we are a lot of people and we have a guy trading Euro USD, he can let us know. See, and then I can just go and double check the entries. Dag Francois, je bent weer welkom. You see, oil gave a nice buy, and oil is such a nice thing to trade because the drawdown is so little. On a 0.01 on oil, if it breaks out, you can immediately, let's say it breaks out to the top, you can immediately buy, because the stop loss below the blocks normally like $2 only. Guys, look what we have for tomorrow. Look what is tomorrow. NFP, baby. NFP. But look how little changes in the data. Ja, wel het fucking min stress, papa. Just see, alles het nou al trades gekyk hoe val jou USD en goud gaan op. Now, very important to know in this situation is once these two move like against each other, it's a red flag to like, it's actually a warning to stay out of the market, right? But if gold was falling and your USD is falling, you know, then you got correlation happening where you show that the dollar is more in control. Now, what's happening is we've got the dollar versus gold, and we've got the euro versus gold. The euro versus the dollar, and we have gold versus the dollar, right? So in both scenarios, the dollar is the quote currency, which means the second one, because the euro is the base and gold is base, right? So if they move in the same direction, then it means that the dollar is the reason gold is moving, okay? But you will see if gold is climbing more than like the euro USD is falling, then you know that it's not the dollar moving gold, but it's the banks and the big institutions that's investing in gold, right? It's more of a supply and demand now, instead of just the dollar moving the market, okay? So yeah, just my 2 cents. Use it, don't use it. Gaan ek sell of buy op NFP? Daai data wys 'n sell. Kom ons trek gou die ding hier. Dit is mooi. Kom ek kyk gou wat sê die ander kalenders. Calendar môre, né? So unemployment rate wys ook minder. Non-farm payrolls wys 100, wys ook meer. So hulle wys 'n sell op goud. Okay, so die forecast wys 'n sell op goud. Vir NFP vir môre. Maar daar's 'n triek wat ek het. So ek vat die IDP, né? Wat gister was, het ook gewys 'n sell op goud, right? Maar goud het nie gesell, die goud het gebaai. En NFP volg gewoonlik wat hy doen. The ADP non-farm employment change. Okay. So die goeders wys 'n sell vir goud vanmôre. Maar gister se nuus het 'n sell gewys en toe baie goud. Vandag se nuus het 'n baie gewys en toe gaan sell goud. En die beste van alles is die actual results was al 2 kere reg. Maar goud het die teenoorgestelde beweeg. So môre is fucking 50-50. Ek sou sê sell op goud, maar met wat ons nou gesien hierdie week gebeur, wil ek amper fucking sê doen nie teenoorgestel. But anyway, ons gaan nou nie so iets soepers doen nie. Hey guys, check hierso. look what we are seeing here. You guys don't even know this. We are seeing something cool happening here. This is called a saxophone. We are seeing a saxophone. Now, so what a saxophone means, can you guys see how sound waves moves? Nah? Look here. So the same way our sound waves would move, this is moving like up and down, up and down, up and down. So this can go on, like there's no rule to this, to when is it going to break out of the saxophone. But normally it's to the upside. But now we have price coming from up to down, so maybe to the downside. But this is cool. This is what we're seeing, waves. This consolidation. This is the saxophone, and this is the waves of the sound of the saxophone. Pretty cool, eh? Pretty fucking cool if you ask me. But normally it breaks out to the top side. Normally. Three, four. Yeah, Chris, I saw, so we'll see tomorrow. Let's see what the market is doing. We'll see what kind of market structure is there forming tomorrow. And there's also something we will look out for tomorrow. Very important, the tip on a Friday that I can give you guys is whatever high we create today. Nah? So this is the high for today, right? If tomorrow comes and it doesn't break this high, we will go see a lower low than today's low tomorrow. So when it's news and price went up and turned, so we'll see 1 hour after London session, so 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. we'll see what's going to happen. But if it's high, but it's not higher than this high, then we will come create a lower low of today. And then it means whatever low we create on Friday, on Monday we will come revisit that low. Okay, that's called institutional trading. Good Lord, look at Bitcoin. Look here, breakout, come back in. Yeah, we are watching the wrong market consolidating here. We could have made money on silver, we could have made money on Bitcoin, we could have made money on Euro USD. We could have made money betting on my grandmother by now. You guys see, so here's the plan, eh? And I thought about this last night already. We are going to watch all these markets and we're going to target them. I don't like that song, bro. I don't know the song even, dude. I don't know why it's in my head. See, so if we have a couple of guys that's going to dedicate their 3 a.m., you guys must DM me on my cell phone number. You're going to watch this, and we have a lot of markets because look how much money we could have made while we wait for gold. On all the markets, look here. Euro USD worked out, Bitcoin worked out, silver worked out, USD JPY fucking worked out. That thing went straight to Cape Town. Yeah, fucking past Japan, straight to fucking China. You see, hey, yesterday a guy said buy gold against the Lego method and that guy blew his account. But now where's my other trading view panel? Look at the USD JPY. Just look. See how much money we could have made. But you see, because the problem is now I can't watch all the charts because I only have 3 monitors, 4 monitors. I can put the laptop 5. You see, but I'm watching the streaming, then I'm reading the chat on Kik. I'm reading the chat on YouTube, trying to reply to you guys. I got TradingView open. I have my own trading accounts open. So there's just too much shit happening online to watch so many markets. So I think we're gonna watch a bit more markets. And look how small is this drawdown. Guys, this, if you entered here with a 0.01 when it broke, the stop loss here, this is $2 only. This is $2. No, I'm lying. I'm lying. This is $4. Sorry, this is $4. If you enter the breakout and your stop loss is here, only $4. No, you see, you guys would enter because USD JPY you can like enter when it breaks because the stop loss is like I say $4 only. You see, so you guys, a lot of you can risk $4, right? So a lot of you can enter, would have entered. Okay, on a serious note, I see volume coming in. Look at the waves. Can you guys see the waves? Now the only thing about these waves is it's unpredictable. Like there's no rule to, okay, 4 touches break, right? There's no such rule. So this can go on forever until it like bam. Yeah, I would say, and Bitcoin, gold and Bitcoin. But like oil, USD JPY, and those things, I don't see why you guys should wait. You guys can take the chance to enter there because the stop loss is not that far. It's so small. Oh my good Lord, look here. Don't tell me it's gonna go up again. It's oil WTI cash. Let me show you guys how. Wait, let me rather show you. Oil WTI cash. So you're gonna go here. You're gonna type in yeah. You're gonna type in oil, and then you're gonna scroll down here. Oil WTI, yeah. So you can use this one. WTI, crude oil. This is the dollar. Look here, it gave a buy. Now, can you guys see how big this block is? Ne? See how big this block is. If you just bought it here, your stop loss here is $8. From there all the way to the bottom. And this is a big block. Look here. Look at gold. Look here, the sound waves, respecting going. Now we're at that line. You want to tell me if is it going to come down or is it going to break? Yeah, I also think it's going up. But let's see. So we could use this one. Let's use this as the line. Creating higher lows, higher highs. Also, it's at this level now. Okay, guys, let's move to the 5 minute now. Fuck it. This woman's way too busy. Three, four, where are you? Moving to wait. Durban. Check here what it did yesterday, no? The 3 p.m. block. Look here. First up, first came down when New York opened, just to push it in the other direction, right? This is the sweep we got when we sold here yesterday, right? Now, the day before, look here. First up, then they reverse it. Look here. Down, and then they reverse it. So today they went down and now they've reversed it. Can you guys see? Happening every 3 p.m. Something I noticed lately. Oh. Not wanting to close above the line. This is calm. Moet nou laat Jean jou gou help, dan stel jy maar gou alles op met my goed. Well, pretty simple. I have 5 people on tech support. The tech support number is on our website at t1fxteam.com. So just contact the tech support number and the guys will assist you. They even work at night and weekends. All right. Well, pretty simple. Can you guys see the sex of But look, one thing here, the highs are getting high, the lows are getting higher. Look here. I'll see you later, bro. We're gonna wait long for this thing to break out. Yeah, but you're gonna have to just get the. You see, we don't know yet where it's gonna turn. You can buy, but your stop loss is going to be 4, so you guys know the rules. High risk, medium risk, low risk. And they'll get the golden zone, but the market needs to turn first. I'm entering small buys, but you guys can wait for retracement. Okay, so let's say it's there. Then the block you want to look at is over here. You have high risk, medium, and your low risk entry. Those are the rules. And this is the golden zone for this break of structure over here. If it's going to use this whole one, then the other option is this level over here. Okay, now let's just remove all the stuff. Ek gaan nou oopmaak. Bye. Oh, wait, let's go to a higher time frame. Okay, so the golden zone for this whole move is this block here. That's why you see the rejection there. Three, four, where are you?
Send me somewhere.
Ja, maar fuck man, ek het hier kom. Hier so.
Ja, want ek was die hele tyd nog op gewees saam met jou hierso.
Hier val ons ons af.
Wat is dit?
Die sleutel vir jou.
Nou gaan jy dit nodig hê. Ja? Okay, jy gaan my bel om te sê wat gedoen moet word met die kar.
Wat moet gedoen word?
En was die seat?
Ja.
Maak die kar nog steeds so?
Ek het nie weer gery nie. Ek sal myself verongeluk.
Okay, maar as ons maar kyk, maar kyk na dit, dan was dit nou dit.
Was hy nog iets wat hy sou vervang het?
Ja, wil jy nou die hy 9.500 rand se job gedoen het?
Vir wat is dit?
Dit mos nou vir die
Is dit daai shock so goed ingesluit?
Ja.
Ja, dat hy dit doen. As hy sê dis die probleem.
Ja, kyk as die stabilizers, of wat is dit, die links of wat? En dan is dit mos die thermostat housing.
Ja.
Die waterbottel.
Ja.
Dan moet hy die system mos
Het hy die aluminium saam opgesit?
Ja.
Okay. Ja, hy moet dit doen.
So al die met die stabilizer links so 9596.
En fucking sien reg.
Ja. En dan gaan ek hom sê moet hom weer na die car wash toe vat.
En dan moet hy seker maak die kar maak nie so nie.
Ja. Maar ek sal dit ook nou voel as ek ry, want ek het dit gevoel gehad.
Ja, maar ek voel dit erg want ek ry die kar.
Okay. Ja, so dis nou die seat. En hy gly en dan is dit nou die res van die pot. Okay.
Ja. Uh, 4439, yeah, you want to see it go above that. Well, it's indicating that the market wants to go up, so you can just find a nice entry into this block, and then we're going to target the high. So it all just depends where you're gonna enter. So rejection of the golden zone here. This is high, medium, and low risk. Rejection over here. And here. So new 1 hour candle starting in 2 minutes as well. We saw it. We got another rejection of the golden zone over here. No, I'm not. I'm waiting for it. I'm not in anything. it's coming down. I think the right place to look for a buy is in this area here, and I'm gonna wait for it to come over here. This is the golden zone from year to year. We have the golden zone. We're seeing a rejection here. I wonder. Start entering it. So one is in, and then I'll add more as she comes down. And then I'll add more as she comes down. Yeah, buy positions. So I got a 0.80 in. But I only have one enter in, 0.80 lot. Is this thing now gonna let me only have one entry? . 0.80. Guys, and now I have to take this profit on this high, because I can't even have a running. Well guys, there's $500. There's $500 only for us. $0.80 I was on, but only one. But they had swept the high now to the left, went above it. So the rule is to take profits there and leave runners, but I don't have runners. I have one fucking. Maybe I should have just partial closed it and stop loss to break even. It is what it is. Fuck it. Did you guys make at least something with the buy? Going to Mauritius without me. Fuck, man. $270, nice. I'm starting to believe it. Yeah, it's far, but yeah, it can be done, right? It's not even that far. It's $20. Yeah, as long as you guys made something. I wish I had a runner in, but it's okay. Fuck it. Crying over making money. Where have you ever heard of something like that? This is off the golden zone, eh? Bam. Here's a fair value gap here where it is now. Yeah. Here's a fair value gap. So if it turns there, maybe it can turn to here then, and then up again. I don't know. Yeah, you are too late by 15 minutes. 15 minutes you are too late by. Unlucky. Yes, 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Well, I hope you guys made some money with a buy. Let me go. Check for this level, the top of the MSG 3 block, if it retraces to here. And then I'll see you guys.